Do you want to know how you can log into your YRC payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your YRC payroll account. Go ahead and search for YRC Oracle payroll account and then click on this link, which is called myyrc.com, and it will take you to the official login portal. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box, your password in the second box. After you've written down your password, click on this icon to check your password and click login. This way you can successfully log into your YRC Oracle Payroll.com. So go ahead and do this, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.